is Dimitris Theodoropoulos, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an iOS app without writing any code. So let's start. Click on Xcode, click on New Project, single view. Next, let's type project 1. Okay, let's click next. Do not touch anything over here. Don't mess with those settings because it's your first app. So let's click create. Okay, so these settings are where you want your app to be available, like only iPhone, only iPad, something like that. So let's make it only iPhone. Let's make it only portrait. And this is where you write your code. We won't mess with this right now because it's a tutorial creating an app without any code. So it doesn't make sense if I write a line of code. Okay, click on 11 Pro. Click on 11 Pro. This is where this 11 Pro is the storyboard. This is where you will create your app, and this is the simulator where you will run your app. So this is where you create, and this is where you run the app. You can change that to, as you see, you have lots of devices to choose. So let's go, let's make it black because I'm a dark mode fan. Okay, let's use a label. Okay, a text field. Let me find it. Okay, let's use orange, why not? Okay, let's make it bigger. Align it to the center. Let's change the font as well. Custom. Okay, let's make it my project. Let's make the M capital. Okay, so we have uppercase. I will add that button as well. Why not? Click Command D to duplicate your button. Okay, let's make this sign up and sign in. Let's make S uppercase. Okay, let's duplicate again the text field. I will make the one text field the username, the other one the password. Okay, the placeholder will be a password because I want to see password over here. So content type, I will make it a password, and secure entry, why not? Username over here as a placeholder, and content type, I want a username. So this is the app. Let's change the background as well. Let's make it not orange, it's way uglier than I thought. Okay, I know they're not okay, they're not that nice, but anyway. So let's run the app. Okay, build succeeded. So I know this app doesn't work properly because we didn't write any code, but this was a tutorial to show you the basics on Xcode, how to use Xcode, and this consider this like a motivation to get you started with Xcode. So let's type Dimitris 123, let's say, and password 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So just click sign up. Okay, this is the app. It doesn't work because I don't have any code. I didn't write anything, that's why it doesn't work. So let's stop the build, and I will show you one more thing. Image. This is where you can import image. Okay, click over here. Let's say I want my image to be trash. Okay, I can use normal images as well. If you want to import an image from your Finder to your Xcode project, just go here and import something over here, and you will have your photo to your storyboard, because you will go here and you will select your photo. You will see it right here, or you can write the name of your photo. So this was the simple tutorial how to get started with Xcode and how to create this simple app without writing any code. But again, it doesn't work. You need to write some code, but this was something to get you started. Thank you for watching my video, and support me on Patreon, subscribe, like, comment, follow me on social media, do whatever you want. Thanks for everything. See you in the next video. Bye bye.